In this video, I show you how to fix messenger message not sending problem. You can see that sending could not send. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for messenger app, click on messenger, click on force stop, then OK. Now tap on storage and cache, clear the storage, then delete. Now go to Play Store. Now search for messenger app. Now update your messenger app if available in a update version. Then search 111 VPN, click on it, install it. I already install, then open it. Now click on connect. Now open messenger app. Now log into your account. Now click on save, restore now. Not now, not now. No message someone. Now I hope that this method fix messenger could not send message or messenger message not sending problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.